So this is the summary for lesson 2, friction. I hope you have watched all the videos that I have shared to you. So friction. What is friction? In this lesson, you should know what we mean. What does friction mean? Okay. So friction is the force that acts in the opposite direction of a movement. So for example, if a ball is moving to this direction, this is the motion, is going to this direction. Therefore, friction acts in the opposite direction. This will be friction. Okay? Friction will only occur if there are two surfaces in contact with each other. So for example, my hand, my palm into my palm. Okay, so there will be friction if there is contact in two surfaces. Okay. Another important thing that you need to understand about this lesson are the factors affecting friction. Affecting friction. One is the roughness of the surface. The rougher the surfaces are, the higher the friction. The smoother the surfaces are, the lesser the friction. Another factor affecting friction is the weight of the object. Okay. First is the roughness of the surfaces. Weight of the object affects friction. If the object is heavy, there will be more friction. If the object is light, there will be less friction. I hope you already understood this from the videos that you have watched. Another thing that you need to understand about this lesson is the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Advantages of friction, or the good things about friction. Friction allows object to stay still. Friction gives us heat. Friction can stop a moving object. Okay, so you have to be familiar with those things. You also need to know about the disadvantages. Disadvantages of friction includes wearing out the surfaces in contact. For example, your shoes. The longer you use your shoes, because there is friction with the sole of your shoes and the floor or the ground, your shoes become worn out. Okay. Another thing that you have to know about friction is the ways to increase friction. So since the factors affecting friction is, one is roughness, if you want to increase the friction, you increase the roughness of the surfaces. Okay. For example, your shoes or our tires. Okay, you know tires. Car tires, they have treads. Okay, so car tires, this treads increases the friction because you create roughness. And last thing that you need to know about friction is the ways to reduce friction. Okay. So if you want to reduce friction, you just make surfaces smoother. Okay, for example, you can use lubricant as well. Lubricants to reduce friction. So I hope you understood all of these lessons, and then you can answer the quiz that I have uploaded on a PDF file. Okay.